Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car of the 2015 430D M Sport 2-door coupe. The vehicle is presented in the black sapphire metallic and also comes with the full BMW Mperformance kit alongside some very nice options, and that does also include the £2,500 option 613 20-inch Mperformance alloy wheels in the original satin black with the polished silver inserts, quite possibly the nicest 20-inch BMW alloy available. So at the front then we've got the carbon front splitter, black kidney grills, Angelite xenon headlamps with the black sapphire metallic, and of course that BMW Performance kit. It's a fantastic colour combination, really nice and subtle yet very effective up and close and personal. Down the side, as well as those striking alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes behind them. You'll be very grateful of those because of course we've got that huge power unit of a 3-litre diesel. Again, all very nice and clean and tidy outside as well as inside. The inside is possibly equally as special as the outside. We've got the full ivory individual leather, as you can see, in a very nice condition. The front seats are both heated with the electric memory and movement for driver's side, passenger side, sorry. So there's the individual, as you can see. Another feature of this car is the dash panel here, center console piece, and the door pulls, as you can see here, are finished in this lovely ivory marble effect. As you can see, again, very rare, never seen this on a BMW 4 Series here at your next car, and believe me, we have had just about more than anybody. So again, that's really nice. It looks fantastic with the interior color choice as well as the exterior. Very rare to see that. It looks fantastic and has been very nicely cared for. In the video and pictures, it probably doesn't look as effective as what it does in person. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, all neat and tidy there. As we come around towards the back, again, you can see those fantastic 20-inch 613M alloy wheels. Premium tyres all around. We've got the carbon rear spoiler, then the satin rear diffuser, as you'll find it on the BMW Mperformance kits. Front and rear sensors with a reversing camera. Big impressive boot size for a coupe car. You have also got split folding seats there. The private registration you see on the car will come with it. As we go around to the driver's side for you then, again you can see that lovely black sapphire metallic, fantastic colour combination, really does look fantastic. Definitely one to come and see in person, as videos and pictures just not going to do this car justice. Inside then we've got power folding mirrors, we've got a lovely multi-function M Sport steering wheel. Of course we have also got the Mperformance upon door open and unlock. Cruise speed limiter, voice and volume controls, paddles for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, professional wide nav and media, Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio alongside music collection, front CD slot, USB AUX and Bluetooth line-in, dual climate controls, front heated seats. Really is a lovely spec car, this one. If we're going to the servicing really quickly, it's not due one for 3,800 miles. Service history wise, we've got really impressive service history with this car. The last one was carried out by our BMW independent specialist. As you can see there, we'll quickly just show you the reversing camera with front and rear sensors. So there is a look around at this stunning 430D M Sport Coupe with the full BMW Mperformance kit. Really hard to find these cars in such great condition, and of course with that full genuine kit on, and of course with those lovely interior extras as well. For any further information, please do check the links below. That way you can see prices, funding options and a little bit more about the car. For now though, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.